there's anybody in here that doesn't believe it, shouldn't be in here. Shouldn't be in here. We've got the best athletes in the world already. Right? We've got to match them with the football. Yeah, we've been to the World Cup once before, and we will go there again, but we want to do it consistently. I want you guys to have at least 2 cycles of a World Cup.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now, the Catalonia national football team will be hosting a game against the Jamaica Reggae Boyz this Wednesday, May 25th. Now, a bit of information on the Catalonia national football team. Selecció de Futbol de Catalunya is the official football team of Catalonia, a region of Spain. It is organized by the Catalan Football Federation, founded in 1900. The team has been referred to by various names, including Selecció Catalana, Selecció de Barcelona, and the Catalan 11. As the Catalan Federation is affiliated to the Royal Spanish Football Federation as one of the several Spanish regional football federations, Catalonia cannot be affiliated with either FIFA or UEFA as a national member association, and is therefore not allowed to participate in official competitions for the national teams, such as the FIFA World Cup or UEFA European Championship. Other than in certain cases where other nationalities are involved, Catalan players are full Spanish citizens who are eligible to play for Spain, and often do. Since 1904, the team has played nearly 200 games against various national, regional, and club teams. International friendly games have been played more regularly since 1997. Among the teams they have played are Nigeria, Brazil, and Argentina. Catalonia is autonomous. Catalonia is an autonomous community of Spain, designated as a nationality by its Statute of Autonomy. Most of the territory lies on the northeast of the Iberian Peninsula, to the south of the Pyrenees mountain range. The capital is Barcelona, and it has a population of 7.7 million. The average age of the team is 28.6 years. They last played a friendly in 2019 against Argentina. This is what the lineup looks like. In goal, Edgar Badia. Right back, Alex Vidal. You guys might know him. You also might know Marc Bartra and Gerard Piqué. Didac Villa, left back. In midfield, Juan Jordan, Pons, Melendo. Up top, popular ex-Barcelona, ex-Stoke player Borjan Krkic, Sergio Garcia, and Alex Granell. So this was the starting lineup for the last international friendly against Argentina. This is a list of the other players that were on the bench. As you can see, the popular Marc Cucurella, who plays in the Premiership for Brighton. Names like Montoya, Garcia, Oriol Romeo, man from Southampton. So show you the quality of this team. So it's a good team. They play a 4-3-3, typical to the Spanish team. Tiki-taka football, very technical, quick passes, great talent. A lot of excellent technicians, as I said before. So it's a team to look out for. They play the football the right way, and good passing team, and will be very difficult to beat. Some other famous and notable players that can play for the Catalonia team: Hector Bellerin, Arsenal; Gerard Deulofeu, formerly of Everton, as well as others. So there you have it, a quick look at the Catalonia team that will be facing Jamaica, hosting Jamaica in Catalonia, Spain. What do you guys think about this team? Is it possible for Jamaica to get a result? It will be a tough game. excellent Catalonia team. Not a team to be taken lightly. Let me know the predictions in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.